today's lesson, we will be discussing the prime numbers and composite numbers. Our learning objective for today are differentiate prime numbers from composite numbers and classify a number as prime or composite. It is said that numbers are classified in different ways. You have learned about odd and even numbers when you were still in the lower grade. So when we say even numbers, these are numbers divisible by 2 or ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So the example of these are 22, 46, and 78. So 22, 46, and 78 are all divisible by 2 and it ends with the number 2, 6, and 8. Well, odd numbers, so these are numbers which are not divisible by 2 or ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So the example of these are 31, 57, and 95 because these numbers are all not divisible by 2 and it also ends with the number 1, 7, and 5. So let's now proceed to the definition of prime numbers and composite numbers. So when we say prime numbers, these are natural numbers with exactly 2 factors. 2 factors only. 1 and the number itself. So one of the very good example of this is the number 3 because the factors of 3 is 1 times 3 or just simply as 1 and 3. So yung factor niya 1 in itself lang. Yung composite numbers naman, so these are natural numbers that have more than 2 factors. Yung more than 2 factors na, so pwedeng 3 or more. So the example of this, or one of the very good example of this is the number 4 because the factors of 4 is 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So we have 3 factors, 1, 2, and 4. So therefore, 4 is composite number. Take note, the number 1 is neither prime nor composite because it has only 1 factor. So hindi siya makukonsider as yung number 1 hindi siya makukonsider as prime or composite because it has only 1 factor. So let us now differentiate a prime number from a composite number by completing the table and answering the questions in the preceding slide. So the number listed here are 2, 7, 15, 28, 37, 49, 51, and 71. So what we are going to do here is to find the factors of this number. So let us start first with the number 2. The factors of 2 are 1 times 2 or 1 and 2. So let us count the total number of factors. We have 1, 2, so we have 2 factors. Next, 7. The factors of 7 is 1 times 7 or 1 and 7, yung factors na. So the total number of factors of 7 is 1, 2, 2 factors then. Next, yung number 15. So let us now find the factors of 15. It can be 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. So let us now count the number of factors of 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 28. The factors of 28 are 1 times 28, 2 times 14, and 4 times 7. So let us now count the total number of factors of 28. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 37. So the factors of 37 is 1 and 37. So we have 2 factors. Yung 49, yung factor naman niya is 1 times 49 and 7 times 7. So pag na-double na, wag nyo na siyang uulitin. So these are the factors now of 49. 1, 2, 3, we have 3 factors. And yung number 51 naman, factors niya is 1 times 51 and 3 times 17. So let us now count the total number of factors of 51. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 factors. And finally, the number 71, the factors of 71 is 1 and 71 only. So we have 2 factors. So let's now answer the questions. So the first question, which of the numbers are prime? So base dun sa definition, pag sinabi nating prime numbers, ang factor niya is exactly 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. So ito yung ang factors niya lang ay 2. It's 2, 7, 37, and 71. So ito na, 2, 7, 37, and 71. Next question. Which of the numbers are composite? So pag sinabi natin composite, yung factors niya is more than 2 factors. So ibig sabihin 3, pataas. So yung answer dito is, eto, more than 2 to. Si 15, 28, si 49, at 51. 15, 28, 49, 51. And that's all. Thank you.